Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony for Phone Tech at Work, and this is a long overdue video. This is a tempered glass for your OnePlus 7 Pro. So let's start the video, show you what I'm talking about. Pop. Alright guys, so here we have a tempered glass for your OnePlus 7 Pro, and it comes to us from Kitayo screen protector. So I definitely had a person who actually recommended this to me about a month or two ago. I just haven't had time to make the video. So if you guys are looking for a white stone dome video, that probably is incoming soon. But I definitely wanted to do this one for the ones that don't want to spend a grip. Now we can definitely see what you get in the packaging. I think I paid like 11 bucks for this one. So you get your screen protector accessories, and the thing with these tempered glasses is that the adhesive is only on the sides, and I just popped it open and put my fingerprint on it. Great job, Alan. Alright, so as of right now, I do have a regular screen protector on here, so I definitely want to get this video done. So then if the white stone dome comes, then we could definitely go with that. But so let's just pop open the old screen protector. Now I do have scratches on this thing already, so I'm definitely not ashamed to admit that. Definitely some nice damage on there already. Let's see if I gotta clean everything up. So basically what you do is you take out your accessories here. You should have a nice little cleaning cloth, which is right there, an alcohol prep pad, and they don't give you a card, but they give you stickers. So you get that, and you have your alcohol prep pad. So I might just speed this up for you guys, or you might just go with me on the journey. I always suggest to turn off the phone, but when you're in a rush like me, you just want to get it over with. So just make sure the so just make sure that you clean the edges as well, because you don't want to have any issues with that. Make sure it's clean of any residue, and always wipe down or just hand dry this microfiber cleaning cloth, because sometimes it does actually bring dirt instead of take off dirt. So make sure everything is clean on there. Make sure you don't have any dust or debris on your device. Take out the sticker. I always use the biggest one that they send me, so I could take out more dirt one time. Let's see right here. Now I was told that this one is good for the price and that it won't come off, so hopefully that person was right about this one, and we can get to it. So let's just pop this baby out. Alright, so for this one you don't have to really do anything much. Let me stand up for this because I don't want to mess this one up. Alright, so basically you just gotta match the borders with it. Maybe you should go with the top. So you do have a little speaker there, so you gotta be careful. And you just drop, let go. Get the little cleaning cloth and just rub around the edges, just like that. And that should be it. So you won't get any bubbles because the adhesive is all on the corners. Now, so the problem with these is that if you put them in a case, it kind of lifts up sometimes. So let's see how it looks in this Presidio grip. Alright, peace out to those guys. So what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments below. I will have an update, if anything. Let's see how the fingerprint scanner is. Alright. Big shout out to TK. So if you guys want to pick this up, the link will be down below. If you guys like this video, please hit it with a thumbs up. And follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of the OnePlus 7 Pro and more tech to come. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video. It's not bad though. Definitely smooth. Later.